Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Vision. My name is Harshima and this is the part 25 of the video series JavaScript for the beginners. And in this video, we talk about functions. In the previous 24 videos, we have studied a lot about JavaScript. What are variables, arrays, and if-else, for loop. Well, for the recap, variables are the data type which store data, specifically single type data, whereas arrays and objects are complex data type which can store multiple data like list. So now come to our today's video. What are functions? Let me define a function in an easy way for you. A function is a variable which can store not even a single value, not even a list. It can store chunks of code also. For example, math.floor. We have used math.floor in the previous videos. But what it will do? It will remove the decimal. Open with live server. Let's check. You can see math.floor remove the decimal value of the integer. It is also an example of function or a method, but it is predefined method in the JavaScript. JavaScript is a very flexible programming language. It allows us to create user-defined methods. Just like let's declare the function. This is the common syntax of the function with a name and params. For a moment, remove this param. I will explain what are parameters in a bit. First, we should replace our name with our desired name of function. What is your name? Console.log. My name is Harsh Kumar. You are watching Code Fusion. Now let's check in the console. You can see console.log is not executing. But why? Because it is wrapped inside this function. Let me copy them and paste outside of the function. And now let's see. Code are working fine. So how can we read the function code inside it? Just execute the function with what is your name. Now the JavaScript file is running perfectly. Console.log is also a function and alert is also a function. JavaScript is full of predefined functions. And now let's see what is the use of the function. Let's say we need to add two numbers. Let num1 num2 and num3. Num1 is equal to 5, num2 is equal to 10, and num3 is a result variable which holds the value of the addition. Num1 plus num2. Now let's check the result. If we need to use this simple addition calculator, we have to rewrite the code or copy paste it elsewhere. It will cause debugging issues and your code is not easily maintainable. So for this scenario we use function. Let me show you. Function name add numbers. Capital N. Copy paste the code inside it and just execute the function like this. The result is same, but wait, we can use this function infinite time. This is the main use of the function. We can reuse our code without writing it again and again. Just call a function and it will execute the code. We now know what is function and function name, but what is param? Let's find out. First let me copy this function. And you can see this string is hard coded, but we want to give the user to greet himself, not my name or my YouTube channel. So for this we need to store this value in a variable here, which is called parameter or argument of a function. So the argument or parameter are the variables which refer to the actual variable inside the function. Let me show you. Name, copy this name variable and wrap this name with curly braces before it. And now let's see the result. Execute the function name with what is your name. See, my name is undefined because we have not entered the value of this parameter. So just enter the value. Your name. My name is your name. Any other name. Any other name. My name is any other name. Well, these parameters do not care about whether the value is string or a number or a boolean or a float. Let me show you. 1 2 3. My name is 1 2 3. So functions are most usable entity of the JavaScript itself. We work almost all the time with function. I hope I'm able to understand you what are functions and how to use them. I will create some more videos in this topic, but for now that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to CodeFusion and hit the notification bell. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. Bye bye and see you. Take care. Stay healthy, stay safe.